So if you want to swap yourself with anyone, then watch this video until the end, because I'm gonna show you how to do that exactly. So first you have to record a video of yourself. So I recorded a video like this, basically snapping with my fingers and then acting like a retard. And the end result of that video will be this. So this is what you're gonna learn in this video. So you have to replace yourself with the person you want to swap yourself with. For that, we are gonna use Nano Banana Pro, and you have to take a screenshot of the first frame of the video, like this, and you have to go to higgsfield.ai. I will leave all the links in the description. So here we are in Higgsfield. You have to go to image and create image, and as you can see I already played around a bit. So here you have to paste in your image that you just took of yourself. So here it is, and we have to find a picture of our target, and for this example let's just do Sydney Sweeney because everybody is using her for this. So it's good to choose a high resolution picture. She doesn't look that great in this. Unpopular opinion, I don't think Sydney Sweeney is that good looking if we just look at the face, but yeah. Anyways, okay, let's choose this picture, I don't care. So you're gonna save this image, or actually I think you can just copy it, copy image, and go here and paste it, yeah. So now you should have your screenshot and the person you want to swap with. And we have to give a prompt to Nano Banana to swap the two people. And for that I have a prompt that works every time. So the prompt is replace him with Sydney Sweeney, or your character. If your person doesn't have a name, then you can describe like blonde woman or gray-haired man, but replace him with Sydney Sweeney in the same position as him. High quality camera and detailed skin. So click generate, and now we wait. As we wait, we can play some Clash of Clans or something, I don't know. Okay, so now we have Sydney Sweeney. So let's just save this image. Let's go to video and Kling motion control. Here is where the magic happens. So here you have to upload your video that you just took of yourself, and here you have to upload the image that we just made with Nano Banana. So here is your video, and here is the picture you want to swap yourself with. Here's a little trick. You can turn on scene control mode, and here you can choose where the background should come from. The character image here or the motion video. And here you can see you spend more credits if you use this. So you can go to advanced settings, and as you can see I already have my prompt here, but you just have to write this prompt here. So basically a blonde woman moving her head around and moving her hands, that's it. So with this setup it's gonna generate more consistent results. So let's just click generate and see what's it gonna do. By the way, I'm listening to some banger music, but it's copyrighted, so you can't hear it. I'm sorry. I will put some basic as copyright-free music under this. So after about 2 decades, we got the video. So let's watch. You see, it perfectly cloned our motion. It seems like she's doing something under the table with her hands, but it's okay. So now we download this video and go to CapCut. So we are in CapCut. Here we have to combine the 2 videos. So here's our Sydney Sweeney and here's our original video. I put the Sydney Sweeney on the top and me on the bottom, and we cut it here at the snap. We delete the first part. So now we can put it like this and we have our video done. So that's how you swap yourself with anyone with Kling motion control and Nano Banana Pro. So there would be a call to action to buy my course, but I have nothing to sell you. So all I ask, if you learned something, subscribe and give a like. I will do more tutorials like this about AI content creation. So let me know what you want to see more or next, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.